Hey guys, I'm Eric with River City Sawmill, and we're going to be milling this big black walnut tree. And you might be thinking, another black walnut milling video? But let me tell you why this one's going to be different. This thing is a monster. This thing is 60 inches wide at least, 8 foot long. Here in Kansas, finding big walnut trees like this is super rare nowadays. So around here in southeast Kansas, I would say the average size of a big walnut tree is about 36 inches. This is almost double that. So we'll be able to open this thing up and see what's hiding inside of a monster black walnut tree. It's gonna be getting cut by our buddies here at Elderly Sawmill. This is a Wood-Mizer 1000, the biggest sawmill in Kansas. All electric. This thing is an absolute animal. So you're looking at the base of the tree that would have been standing coming out of the ground. And we're gonna be cutting it in 3 1/4 inch slabs. We'll probably end up with 18, 19 big slabs. Then we'll air dry them for about a year, about 3 years, and then they'll go into the kiln. This forklift right here is rated for about 8,000 pounds, and it struggled to move this log. So this is about as heavy as 2 Toyota Camrys or a Tesla in 2/3. Stay tuned. Next, we're going to show you how we mill this thing and get it ready for retail. This mill cuts about 65 inches wide, and we're about 18, 20 inches too wide. So we're going to trim this to fit inside of the rails and make the job a lot easier. That wasn't as cool. Cut that. Okay?
Yeah.
Only start it when it starts.
Yeah.
All right, guys, we finished it up. We did hit some metal, but we knew the metal was in there. We had an amazing mill operator today. We were able to get through. We got about 10 full-size 3 1/4 inch slabs. We got some wedges in here so they can get the skid loader. We're gonna open it up, put half on the trailer, so when we get back to the log yard, we can actually lift it. So let's get this lifted off, and I'll show you what a full-size black walnut slab looks like.
Oh, he's smart. Smart. We've done this a lot. We mess with these too much.
So we've got it split apart. Check this out. Look at that grain. We got some staining from the metal in there. Here in about 3 years, we'll have some really cool tables. So we're back about 10 months later. 10 months, 4 days, 30 hours, 22 minutes, and 30 seconds. Hey! We got it stacked. She's sitting here air drying. We'll give it probably another 1.5 years, and then it'll go into the kiln over there, and it'll be ready for retail and some projects. Like and comment. Any questions, just put it down in the bottom and I'll answer it. Stay tuned for more videos. We're gonna do some milling videos, probably some CNC videos. We'll have a couple of these getting turned into big projects. If you guys have anything you want to see, just drop it in the comment section. And okay, bye.